y'all, and welcome to my channel. I am Tika, y'all. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys this half wig that was sent to me from Beauty Forever Hair. Now, I did do a wig review from this exact same company, but I believe I did this wig review like last year or so, and I think I reviewed like a water wave wig. So today I've actually decided to come and review a half wig. Go ahead and share with you guys the wig, my thoughts and my opinions about this wig. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys after I get done doing all the extra stuff. I will be showing you guys this half wig that was sent to me from Beauty Forever Hair. So here is what the box of this unit looked like. Lord Jesus. So I am gonna go ahead and open the box, y'all. This is pretty much what the inside of the box looks like. It comes with your headbands and a wig cap. This unit does have one comb right here in the front, and it does have one comb right here in the back. So whenever y'all get y'all wig, I would suggest for you guys to wash your wig out. This wig is really cute though, y'all. Now I'm going to just add this headband. Is cute. This shit is cute, y'all. I'm just pretty much fluffing out the curls, y'all. She's cute, y'all. Oh, y'all, we getting some shedding. We're getting some shedding, y'all. Y'all can see that. And y'all, this is just by playing in the hair. This wig is actually soft, y'all. Wig sheds a lot, but I'm really not too sure if, you know, it's just because it's curly hair, but I noticed that as I run my fingers through the hair that this wig sheds a lot, y'all. It starts to form these little hair balls, y'all. So this is pretty much what this unit looks like. I pretty much have actually fluffed out this wig quite a bit. The length of this wig is about 18 inches long, but this wig does shed a lot, y'all. And I'm not talking about a little bit, I'm talking about a lot. Wash your wig and I think you guys will be fine. This wig did have like a factory smell to it. Again, you guys just wash your wig, co-wash and all that good stuff, you'll be fine. It'll smell really good. For the most part, it don't smell good. It smells like factory hair. And who want to smell like factory hair? Right now I smell like factory hair, but don't want to smell like factory hair? No. Inside this wig, it only comes with a wig comb in the front and it only comes with a wig comb in the back. I think that they should have like put the wig combs like on the side, because I feel like if you want to wear your hair into a ponytail, I feel like this wig will start lifting, and you know, so put some bobby pins or something down, and because there's no clips on the side of this wig. If you guys want to know what type of edge control I use this one.